Beyonce shatters Selena Gomez's Instagram record and reveals stunning nude pregnancy photos. This episode of Newsfeed is brought to you by Intuit TurboTax. Relax, there's TurboTax. We're not the only ones crazy in love with Beyonce's pregnancy announcement. Yesterday, Beyonce brought new hope to 2017, announcing that she is pregnant with 2 new BBs. It's safe to say Beyonce and Jay-Z will have their pick of babysitters because the Instagram photo broke the Guinness World Record for most liked image. The photo garnered over 6.6 million likes in just 8 hours, beating Selena Gomez's record-holding selfie that has 6.3 million likes. And it's worth noting that at the time of filming this video, Beyonce's Instagram is now over 8 million likes and counting. And there's more where that came from. Beyonce released over a dozen more pregnancy photos on her website, including some breathtaking nude shots. Only Beyonce could pull off this upside-down underwater shot, proving she's the most beautiful pregnant mermaid we've ever seen. A black and white image sees Queen Bee wearing nothing but a flower crown, sitting on an ivy throne. And another stand-up photo sees soon-to-be big sis Blue Ivy kissing her mother's belly. Beyonce captured the gallery, "I have 3 hearts," part of a poem she shared on the site by acclaimed writer Warson Shire. It's only a matter of time before Beyonce and the twins make their red carpet debut at the Grammys on February 12th. Sources told Us Weekly Beyonce didn't want to debut her baby belly at an award show like she did with Blue Ivy back at the VMAs. So she had to get the news out before Grammy fittings and rehearsals took place. Beyonce is nominated for 9 awards at the show and is set to perform, but she still wants her work to be center stage on music's biggest night. Some fans believe we could actually see Beyonce's belly sooner than that. Fans are crossing their fingers that Beyonce will make a cameo during Lady Gaga's Super Bowl halftime show this Sunday to sing their duet song, Telephone. Now we're calling on you, BeyHive. Tell us below what you think of Beyonce shattering Selena's record, and do you think that Beyonce will show up to the Super Bowl? I'm your host, Sinead DeVries. Thanks for watching. Click like for more on Beyonce's pregnancy announcement, or write for a brand new episode of Beauty Trippin' featuring our desert date. Yes, desert, not dessert. This episode is brought to you by Intuit TurboTax with live on-demand help when you need it. Relax, there's TurboTax.